It was yesterday's command conference. I have ordered to recruit young men in the PNP who are imbued with the fervor of patriotism to be the members only of the mga task forces. Every station should have one. Pero yung piling-piling, yung walang mga kaso at walang history ng corruption. I have to do it because kulang ako ng tao. I am also, I said, fighting again the NPA. And I have this problem in Mindanao about terrorism and drugs. So kailangan ko ng tao. I have to call back the police again to do the job most of the time sa drugs. Hindi lahat. And it's going to be a PDEA supervised, whether done by the military or the police. There should always be a PDEA from the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency who will be supervising everything.
Sir, from the PNP or from outside the PNP?
PNP.
Sir, a task force of the PNP.
PNP. Kukunin dyan sa mga istasyon.
Sir, how many people? How many people?
Depende na yan kung ilan ang tingin in large areas. For example, areas of jurisdiction large, then you have it would require you a number of peace officers there. If it's a small municipality, then what's the use of putting it there? Pero hindi na lahat kasi I said, make some good choices there about young PNP officers who are, I said, imbued with the fervor of patriotism to serve this country.
Sir, you mentioned...
Mayor resume na po.
I will leave it to the police to decide. If that is the best way to do it, fine.